welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get this gorgeous eye look using this beautiful palette from BH. It's the Mavycorn. I love it. I got this entire eye look using just this palette. So if you want to see how to get this all amazingness going on and all these beautiful colors, just keep on watching. All right, we are going to be doing the BH Cosmetics Mavycorn. Probably toward the first of the year, you see my haul where I picked this up and I broke the shade Moana. But I just wanted to kind of play with it and show you a look we can get out of this gorgeous palette. I am going to start with Flodder, Flodder here, and we're just going to kind of build a good base going. And there is kickback, so you kind of want to tap your brush off a little bit. I'm going to start right here and just kind of build that into the crease and above. And this is just a really good transition shade. I sometimes just kind of take it all the way up because it's just a transition shade. It's just going to kind of give something for everything to blend into. We'll do that on both the eyes. And I'm just kind of using some circular windshield wiper motions, and it's just kind of blending that all in. And these are really super blendable. They are amazing. I love BH Cosmetics products. They are just great. Then I am going to take my, if I can find it in here, Tetris. This first brush was as an Equate brush. Yeah, let's try here. There we go. I think that was one of my hairs. But it's one of the Equate charcoal infused. These are really great. They're super fluffy. I really like them. But this is the Tarte Tetris brush. And I'm going to go into this pink one, Tongue Pop. And they are so pigmented and they're so pretty. And we're just going to build that into the crease and slightly above. I'm just kind of playing with some color today, and I absolutely love pink. And I love the way pinks and purples play with my eye color. So pretty. And the way I do my crease is probably a little weird for some people, but it's just what works for me. So, the same thing on the other eye. And bring it all in. All right, now that we got that one, I am going to use, this is a little like bullet type brush. It's really great. It's from Eco Tools, and it is fabulous for getting right into that crease. So I am going to take this purple shade. It's got a little shimmer to it, but not a whole lot here, called Bahamas. And I'm going to put that kind of on the outer V here. And in the crease, we're going to deepen that crease up a little bit. And we're going to go in again. I haven't really used this color, so we're just kind of playing with it. I don't feel like I'm getting a lot of payoff out of this one. we go. So I have to go in a few times and do that to get some color, but that's okay. Very pretty. I am noticing a little fallout. We'll see. Wipes right away. No problems. My eyelids are so... It's horrible getting old. But these are beautiful, beautiful, beautiful colors. Wipes right away, no problems. And then I am going to take, there it is. It's my short shader brush. It's by SL Miss Glam. It's so pretty, but it's got this little bitty, it's great for packing on. And I am actually going to go in to this green called Moana. It is so soft, and I am so afraid of breaking it because I broke it once already. When I bought it, I was doing shopping and it got banged around and broke. And we're just gonna go right in. Ooh, that is a beautiful color. And just kind of create a little mini halo effect thing going on here. I don't even know what to call it. It's just pretty. Just pretty. I'm just playing with colors I haven't played with yet. I've tried the pink a couple of times, but the purple and the blue, I have not. I usually use like spray tan and then either muddy or K-Bye and just go with a really simple everyday look for work and whatnot. But today I'm playing with color because it's fun and we can do that. So all of those colors are so pretty together. All right, so I'm gonna go lash line, finish up my face, and I will be right back so we can finish this lower lash line. All right, now that I'm all lash lined and ready to go, we're gonna dig back into our palette here. I am going to start with this little angled liner brush here, and I'm going to dip into that first pink tongue pop, and get that tight to the lower lash line. We'll do the same thing on the other eye here. My allergies are killing me, and my eye is watering like nobody's business today. Right, and then I have This is the BH number 10, and it's a little bit wider. I'm going to go into that purple. Work that in. Not quite as tight to the lash line. And then I have this little brush here, and this is just an eyeshadow brush from Ulta Beauty, but the shape of it is fabulous. I'm just going to take some of that green Moana and incorporate that as well. We'll add a little color, a little pop. Got a little lash glue on my lower line here, and it's kind of sticking my folds together of old lady skin. No, I'm not that old. I feel like it's me, but I'm not. Alright guys, I am going to fix this lash because for some reason it's not wanting to cooperate. Do up my hair and I will be back. Maybe. Alright, so this is the final look I did for my lip combo. I put on some Morphe Schoolgirl, and for my glitter, right in front of me, the Lime Crime Diamond Crushers Lip Topper in Fluke. Is my beautiful lip combo going on today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful eye look as much as I do, and I will see you guys next time.